Hello and welcome to my Danny's DieCast collection channel. And today I'm going to feature the Boeing 747 UPS, United Parcel Service. I paid a total of $7.62 on Aliexpress. This is the box. Of course, the box has the Airbus A380. This is not the plane that's going to be inside, but they just put this there and they just put aircraft model. I believe the brand for this one is the Jason Tutu brand. Okay. It's basically similar one to like the one I got on Temu a couple of weeks ago or so, a few weeks ago. So let's open it up. Okay, so again, I paid a total of $7.62 from AliExpress. It took about 10 days to arrive here. Okay, 1/400 scale, of course. And of course, there is no landing gear on this one because, again, it's going to be mounted on the stand, similar to the American Airlines Boeing 777. And as we can look up closer there, you can see it is the 747B, B as in boy. Of course, this is a transport cargo. Okay, that's why you don't see no passenger windows. It's just the doors. And you got a couple of little 3 windows up there in the second bay. There's a cargo aircraft. So there's just for packages, when they deliver packages and all that stuff. Shipping containers, whatever, inside here. When they ship worldwide. Okay, detail. It's pretty good. You can see the turbine blades in there. You got the UPS logo in the tail. United Parcel Service. And you can see there the aircraft number. And of course the wings, there is some detail on the wings. Okay, even the engines, not much on the engines, but okay. Looks pretty cool. Of course the wing tips. You got that on the wing tips, that's the of course, the 747 has been in service since 1969. So about going on to 6 decades now. Over 50 years. Okay, they are still in service. Of course, UPS has about 17 of them still in service. Also, the presidential plane, the Air Force I, is a 747. Okay, and they actually, I believe they actually upgraded 2 new 747. I forgot what the numbering is called on that one. And they're going to be into service for another couple of president terms at least. So this plane is going to be around for a while. And I believe there's over 300 of them in service worldwide, including Lufthansa, Cargo Lux. What is the other one I saw? Oh, Atlas Air. So, mostly, not all, but a lot of them are freight or cargo. Of course, Air Force One is the one that the president flies around the president of the United States. There are passenger ones also still in service. Okay, this has gone under many, many modifications. Let's put this here for a second. Let's take out the stand. Okay, find that right there. There we go. Take out the stand. It has a similar stand to the 777. Of course, this one is the Jason Tutu branded plane. And very similar to the other one, of course. You snug that in there, and there you go. So now we have the 747, the Boeing 747B, and this is UPS. Looks beautiful. And there you go, part of the collection now. I will be getting other ones soon. I'm looking into getting a DHL one. I like the cargo planes also. I know last time I got the American Airlines 777. I'm going to try to get pretty much the Boeing Oh, you know, Boeing. There's a few more Boeings I want to pick up. I also want to pick up. I do want to pick up some Airbus, and there's several of those. And you know, like I said, I want to pick up cargo like the FedEx one, the DHL, and there's some other freight ones that I'm looking into. And there's a couple other surprises I'm gonna be looking into in the future to picking up. Okay, so there you go. So again, Boeing 747 1400 scale, United States, I mean United Parcel Service, excuse me, UPS. And again, I got this on AliExpress for $7.62. It looks beautiful, nice little detail on it, and very excited to have this one in my collection. So there you go. If you like this video and you like content like this, again, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.